Hi everybody! Today I want to show you guys 4 ideas on toast. I always make them for breakfast or afternoon tea, so let's start with the first one. So this will be the brioche I'm using in the whole video. I got it from Walmart, so if you don't have it, you can use other brands. Simply toast the bread on a frying pan. I didn't add any grease, so I'll always heat it with medium to low heat. Next, sprinkle some sugar on the pan, then wait for a couple minutes. Once you see the sugar bubbling, you can add banana. Just hold the banana and grab a fork to cut it. Now you have to wait until they get caramelized. It probably takes 3 to 4 minutes if you don't flip it too often. Before I flip it, I added a bit more sugar on top, so the other side also get caramelized when the sugar is melting. When the banana is ready, I'll first put some spread on the toast. What spread do you think matched the best with banana? Nutella is always my answer. I'd always go for Nutella or chocolate with banana, but of course you can choose whatever you want. There's no way that banana wouldn't taste good with Nutella, right? The caramelized banana gives a different and special fragrance, a perfect one for afternoon tea. Let's get to the second toast idea. Same step, toast with medium to low heat. Now we're gonna make a fresh and light one, sunny side up on guacamole toast. This avocado looks just right. Gently twist to remove the pit. Then dice it because we're gonna smash them later. Grab a spoon and scoop it to the bowl. Then do the same to another half. So we'll season the guacamole with a tablespoon of lemon juice, pinch of salt, and some pepper, then mix well. I also added some dried parsley. This is optional, but I recommend adding it if you have. And lastly, the sunny side up. You always need to put a bit more oil than usual to cook a perfect sunny side up egg, because you have to kind of fry the edge to make it crispy. Now we can put the guacamole on toast. The guacamole we made with 1 avocado is enough for 2 toast. I'll put some pepper again on top. And that's it. This is going to be a light but full breakfast for me. You can also share another piece of toast. If you don't want to finish the guacamole at once, you can wrap it in a bowl and put it into the fridge. It lasts for 2 days. And the third toast I'm gonna share is definitely my all-time favorite. This is really easy but super divine French toast. You'll need some milk and an egg. Put them in the same deeper plate so that you can mix them easier. So after I give them a stir, I'll add the sugar and cinnamon powder. You can mix them at the same time. I would say cinnamon powder is a crucial ingredient to French toast, but if you don't really like it, then just ignore this step. Now we can put the brioche into the dip and let it sit for a couple minutes for each side so they can soak in the dip like a sponge. Melt a small piece of butter in a pan with medium heat. Oh, by the way, I strongly recommend only using brioche for French toast, because brioche consists of butter and it gives a richer taste. If you use white bread, it's totally different, so please make sure you have brioche if you want a nice homemade French toast. So when you start frying the first toast, you can dip the second one and let it sit. Cook each side until it's golden brown, and give a little press to make sure inside is also cooked, because there's raw egg in the dip. Serve with maple syrup and fruits you like. I just really love this because you can taste the cinnamon and it's so soft and moist inside. Alright, here comes the last one. And I'm not gonna show you again how I toast the bread. So basically you only need 2 spread, whichever you like. I chose Nutella and cream cheese because I think they're pretty matched. So you have to grab a teaspoon and use the bag to get some spread. And you just gotta place 2 different spread alternatively. Then use a new spoon for a different spread. I tried to put cream cheese, then Nutella, then cream cheese again, but I just found out it takes time and it seems clumsy. So I just finish the cream cheese at a time, then I start with the Nutella. So you can see the spread won't get too big because we use a teaspoon. It fits 4 spoonfuls of bread in a row and 3 in a column. And you get a checker pattern, which is all for the girls' sense of ritual. You know what I mean. It's actually so cute and perfect for afternoon tea or a sweet breakfast. And that's the 4 toast idea I want to share. Let me know which one you like the most below, or what you guys want me to share next time. See ya!